tiny little basement, and when it hit, it just screamed. I mean, it was, three hurricanes, but we normally get one once every 10 years.
Right.
They are magnificent. Most hurricanes. We'll come to this one in a minute. The sea is lucky. We lead quite a full life, and I've tried to write the book so it makes a really good read. You don't have to be
I mean, it's always nice to hear from Kelly Jones, isn't it? Because he's always a brilliant guest.
Yeah, I think
always a great guest. And the whole week has been fun. Yeah. If I'm honest with you,
back on the platforms, but I thought for the longest time I would love to like syndicate the podcast as a radio show, so you could still get the podcast the way you get it.
So it'll be at the beginning of November, at the end of this year. So it gives us plenty of lead time. We're starting to book bands now. We're starting to get some vendors in there. It'll be the same thing as last year, but quite honestly, just easier for people to do panels and to do that, those types of Comic-Con things, to just drive from LA to Orange County rather than flying to San Jose to Mountain View. I drove. It was great. Well, all right then. Well, you can just drive to Orange County.
Yeah, I'm gonna fly.
That'd be weird.
Yeah,
so you're putting on the festivals for people from LA, and they just have to go to wherever it is.
What are you doing? You're walking around the studio and doing something really suspicious.
No, I'm just putting that picture. One of the biggest movie franchises of the past 25 years. What am I doing? It's making me sound like a proper, absolute... That's what you do to these people.
Celebrities.
So you've got me and Toby Tarrant.
Yeah.
Tony Blackburn.
Tony Blackburn.
With Ken Bruce.
Well,
Yeah.
Ken's done it. I
A
swear on your life, the last time we stayed there, I moaned about the light coming through the windows.
I swear that you...
See?
Hey Dom, pull yourself together.
Good. Very, very good. Oh, that's good, because curtains.
Oh yeah.
Get it?
Yeah, I do now.
Pull yourself together.
Everyone else does.
Well, I love it, and I think they're brilliant.
Yeah.
I thought Force Awakens was astounding. There was a street once called Ross Kemp Street, but they had to change the name for public safety because nobody crosses Ross Kemp and lives.
Hard concrete.
He's a bird.
No, he's a human.
I've got it. Go on. He was only on the...
He'd have been on the floor.
No, but then I said it was propped up against the hand.
Oh, did you?
So if Chris was to say he was on the second step, would he be wrong because he was on the first?
Ah.
Yes. You're wrong.
And if he fell,
My riddle.
how did he fall? Like, did he land? How did he land?
He just fell. He just stepped off it.
So he fell on his back with a head and a tail.
No.
Is it something with?
What has a head and a tail? What?
Oh, what coin?
It's a question that we get asked a lot.
Isn't it?
Also, do you write like the day before what you're going to do?
No.
That he's got heads.
Yeah, it's really affected my standing within the community, actually.
I can't do it because I literally and honestly had the same head.
Right, of you doing like there's some sort of special stunt, right? But it's of you trying to escape from a 16-year-old boy. That is what I like. It's like some sort of
Like a Rube Goldberg
I never did things like that. Scott, I never did woodwork or metal work, or I have no idea. Jane was mum's in Brighton. Hello, welcome to another episode of Billy Gervais' Deadly Serious. Me, Billy Gervais. Sean McLaughlin. Hello. There he is again. And James.
I don't have very many packages, but I'm still 25 minutes away. And I'll keep my eye out for any other shifts because I'm out now, so I might as well.
Okay. Did you get anything out to taste?
No, I thought we could have risotto.
Okay, yeah, we can have a risotto. That's cool.
Okay. Right.
I don't have an onion.
I guess Sainsbury's not far away, is it?
No, I suppose not. I'll go to Sainsbury's.
Okay.
Let me know what you're doing there, because I won't make it too early.
Okay.
Obviously.
I'm merging right now, and I can see the car next to me just like right up to that car's bumper in front of him because he doesn't want to let me in. I'm like, alright, whatever. But it's like, it's really not worth it, you know? Anyway, I love you.
Love you, bye.
So about, I'd say 12 police and the blue driver, they slowed down the van and looked at us, right? And we were just leaning there, just like, you know, smash it. Yeah. And the copper wound down the window and shouted over to us.
105 podcasts. Oh, I got a text from James Robinson.
Oh, what's he saying?
A minute ago. Don't walk in talking about your diarrhea. No, that's a joke. I don't have diarrhea. Just want to point that out. Sorry if you have any Cocoa Pops, but I don't.
But I don't. But I don't.
But if you did, it's fine.
But I don't.
It's nothing to be ashamed of or embarrassed about.
And I wouldn't be, and I'm not, because I don't, because I'm not.
But when you do.
But I don't.
Do you want me to go to Boots and get some Imodium? Yeah.
It's interesting that you know what it is, though.
Oh yeah, it's Imodium. It's great, absolutely. You have to have Imodium in your cupboard.
If you go to Fellows end up with that's your sitcom, Mickey Flanagan, Rag and Bone Man, and Chewing a Talking Horse. Talking Horse has not been done for years.
Baby. Imagine the ultimate. It writes itself, doesn't it?
Yes, car's too heavy. We're having a loud.
New one.
Put the camera on. It's just one. And on the parcel it says 1 of 2. Right. In fact, it actually said 2 of 2. And I go, I don't have the 1 of 2. Yeah, well, you know, if you contact them, and I'm like,
you want to move on to a different machine.
I moved to a different machine. I've got to move to a different gym.
It's not going away. It's not going away.
How long did it last for when you did it?
Don't tell me.
Okay.
Like a day and a half or something. Rob, what's wrong with you? Why are you not talking? Rob!
Hello, I'm sorry I'm miles away. Really bad line as well.
It's not a bad line.
I can hear you crystal clear.
Yeah, you sound like you're in the next room.